The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fulton County, Indiana, northern Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, southeastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Marshall County, Indiana, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near North Judson, or 7 miles southwest of Knox, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Judson, Culver, Ripley, Monterey, Beardstown, Van Meter Park, Burr Oak, Denham, Toto, Hibbard, Winona, DeLong, Bass Lake, and Ora. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Marshall, Pulaski, and Stark.